In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M15, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by accessing Settings and scrolling down to access Google. Then tap on All Services. Select Autofill. Autofill with Google and Google Password Manager. Now just tap on one of your passwords that you wish to edit and enter your current login method. Then click Edit next to Delete and change wherever you want to. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!